Howdy, this is lesson number 6 from our beginning sign language class, and in this video you will see the signs for some animals. Okay, first is cat. Cat, my first finger and my thumb coming together. Cat, like the whiskers of a cat. Dog, slap and snap. Dog, I am slapping my thigh. Dog, dog. Fish, go across your body and out at that angle. Wiggle it like a fish. Horse, horse, like the ears of a horse. It's my H hand for horse. Cow, rock your Y hand forward like the horns of a cow. Moo. Cow. Chicken, like a bird pecking at the ground. Chicken, chicken. Pig is done like this. Put the back of your palm under your chin and bend it and straighten it. So you have a bent flat hand and then a flat hand. Pig, pig, pig. Have your fingertips right here on your shoulder blade. Have. Pet, like you're petting the back of your hand. Pet. Mouse, mouse. Tap your nose twice like a little mouse's nose wiggling around. Mouse, mouse. Then we have animal. It's like have, but both hands, and they're going to rock in and out. Animal, animal. Like the breathing animal, the breathing chest of a big animal. Animal, animal. And last is the best sign, that is love. Just cross your hands. It doesn't matter with love and a couple of others which hand is in front or in back. Whichever you can get there first. Just cross them over, make fist hands, and give some big loves. Love. Okay, what am I asking? Okay, tell me in comments. See you in lesson number 7.